Okay, so one of the features of Pre-Approve Me is the ability to configure your mobile app for the type of user who's using it. But then to take it one step deeper than that, you configure the tools inside the mobile app also based on the status of the customer using the mobile app. So, for example, you can have a raw lead see tools that make sense for a brand new potential customer, like apply for a loan, generic mortgage calculators. Maybe you're integrating some loan resources into the process, or you want to add a link to schedule a meeting with you to get to know them better. You could embed videos, you can embed home buyers guides, anything that you think would help build and foster a relationship with this new potential lead. So I'm inside of my dashboard builder and I can build the custom widgets or tools by embedding the links inside of the creation here when I click create new widget. But what happens when that client sort of moves beyond this phase? So everybody who's a borrower moves from idea stage to action to closing. So we have the ability for them to convert again based on the next phase in the process. So leads move into loan status. Loans need tools designed to help them stay engaged with you while they're shopping for homes online or while they're moving through the mortgage transaction. For example, wouldn't it be useful if your clients had access to a qualification calculator where they could run numbers, identify their payment, see if they're qualified for the home they're looking at, and issue pre-approval letters? Well, of course, as a protection from Zillow and Realtor.com and Trulia, that's super valuable. So for those leads who are shopping, we would want to embed a tool like that to keep them connected to you and coming back to your tool. Think of this on another level. What do you do today for your turndowns? People who need credit repair. Why not build a credit repair portal or tool to engage your clients as they kind of move through the terribly stressful process of working on their credit? Okay, what sorts of tools and resources and tips can you provide that person? What kind of information would you want somebody who just closed their loan? What would you want them to have? You could integrate one of our third-party vendors like HomeBot or HomeIQ to provide their home equity report 24/7, 365 right in your branded mobile app. Or you can embed other tools. Maybe you want to provide a list of preferred and trusted people to help them manage home ownership. So you've got movers and contractors and gardeners and, insurance agents and all these people in your network that you want to give them some real estate inside of your mobile app so that your clients go to this platform time and time again when it comes to managing their home ownership. So that's what we call the Pre-Approve Me transformative mobile app experience. And it's the first step in marketing to your clients through engagement versus pushing content to their email inbox and crossing your fingers. So put your borrower hats on, identify the possible phases that customers enter the process and where they live. So leads, veterans, first-time home buyers, maybe they all need their own versions of your branded mobile app with the resources and content to help you build a relationship and convince them you're the right loan officer for the job.